guys, today I'm doing a video of all the car horns. Right, Ratty? What are you doing? Get over here. Get away, Ratty. Come here. Come here, buddy. Find it. First, we're starting off with a Chevy van. Back's pretty nice. Here's the steering wheel. Here's the... Okay, it looks like it's... Oh, the key's not in. Yeah, my mate wants the key. All right. Right, that's a Chevy van. Now let's start. Let's go with the second van. No, actually, we'll go with the second van in a second. Let's go ahead and go with this Ford truck. That was that Ford. It kind of sounds like a high truck horn. I can roll this window up. Now let's go with the second van. Now this horn is pretty weird. I don't even know how to explain it. They're buttons. They're buttons. Here's the back of it. They turned it into a camper, which I like. Steering wheel. Yeah, there are buttons, see? Now let's go ahead and do the Pontiac. Here's the steering wheel. Our second to last is this one right here. Ford. Another Ford truck. Ugh. Ooh, I'm too short for this thing. Now our last and final one is going to be this camper. There we are. Oh, here's the steering wheel for this one. Alright. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video. I love you guys. Bye.